Good evening. My name is Deja Foster, and I am an educator in the Ohio School District. Today's meeting is an evaluation and review of the IEP process, the individual education process, and also the understanding of the law idea, a law in which they allow specialized education curriculum for students with disabilities. To start the meeting off, the number one important key element of the IEP process is to receive or to get parental consent, either written or verbal. Those two types of consent is very important for the IEP process. Continuing, the first term that I'm going to talk about is free, appropriate public education. This is specialized designed instruction appropriate for the student with a disability. Services to meet and maximize the needs of exceptional learners or students in an LRE of the least restrictive environment. Laws that were passed over time ensure that all children with disabilities receive a free, appropriate public education. LRE, or least restrictive environment, is an inclusive learning environment that allows learners of all learning styles to obtain services that enable that student to engage in the learning process as unlimited as possible. The next term that I'm going to refer to is the referral process. This is a recommendation for an evaluation of someone's abilities, interests, and or preferences. Special personnel, most likely general education teachers or parents, may make the request for an evaluation. The referral process includes parents, principals, teachers, and therapists. The next term that I'm going to refer to is the evaluation process. This is an assessment that produces products that the student will populate. Within 60 days of parental consent, the parent provides a full evaluation of a child or their concerns of their child specifically. Within 60 days, the parent is required to have a full evaluation of the child after parental consent is given. Eligibility determination. This is the criteria that is mandated or required for a specific program. If the student has a disability, if because of the disability he or she needs special education or related services, this eligibility determination is mandated by the IDEA law. IEP components. The Individualized Education Program, or IEP, is a legal document that describes the educational services the student receives. Parental and student involvement. It